Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have some fun RMS goodies in front of me. I have two new products to try. I'm gonna put a look together. I'm gonna tell you what I think about their new Refresh Eye Brightener. And I, based on one of your recommendations, picked up the Re-Evolve Natural Finish Foundation. So if that sounds interesting, just stick around. I'm gonna start with this Refresh Eye Brightener. It does come in different shades. I picked up the shade Cherish. This is described as a lightweight ultra sheer under eye brightener and 100% mineral SPF 30 sunscreen, visibly improving the appearance of dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines with a hint of color correcting tint, while it protects the delicate eye area from the sun's damaging rays with non-nano zinc oxide, powered by Glowplex to smooth and brighten, Titanol to firm and tone, and caffeine and coffee seed extract to help reduce the look of dark circles and puffiness. I have my skincare on and my sunscreen. So let's take a look at this. It's got a silver ball on the end. I'm going to squeeze out a little bit onto my hand. Looks like a nice peachy correcting shade. So I'm going to just put some of this on my under eye. I'm not sure how much, but I must say it feels really nice. Very cool. Just gonna take my finger and tap it in. So far, so good. While that's soaking in, I'll go ahead and take care of my brows. This is the Back to Brow pencil. I have mine in the shade, I believe it's taupe. It might be light brown. So it's got a long cover on this side. It's got a spoolie on this side. It's really a very nice product if you like a softer, more powdery looking brow. Just quick and easy. I'll continue on with the eyes, and I have the Cashmere Matte Eyelights. I have mine in the shade Mossy Stone. Just comes in a little squeezy tube. I like to work off the back of my hand. And a little bit goes a long way with this product. This is my Real Techniques 301. And I'm just tapping the product off the back of my hand. And then I'll start at the base. And basically just fluff this on soft and pretty. I've been very into lots of browns and chocolates and matte looks. Something very pretty about that. Effortless. And this is a nice long wearing formula. Just starting at the bottom and then gently bringing it up. Bring it out a little bit more on this edge for a lifted effect. I'll next go with their Straight Line Kohl Eye Pencil. It's a black liner on one side and a smudger on the other. Very nice. I would call this more of a soft black. It's nice if you just want that sort of blurred edge. I love the convenience of a smudger. So I'll just go on that outside edge and then get smaller towards the center. I'm back. I just went ahead and added some of my Kulfi tubing mascara that I've been enjoying. I've had the RMS mascara in the past. I will pop up a picture. It's beautiful. I just have too many mascaras open. All right, let's talk about this new to me foundation. It has been around for a minute, but this is the Re-Evolve Natural Finish Foundation, silicone free, skincare infused, daily liquid foundation, fresh feeling, easy to blend. Power-packed formula delivers smooth, long-lasting, medium coverage while it hydrates, firms, and softens. Formulated with living ingredients like the cutting-edge Titanol, moisture-rich vegetable squalane, soothing organic aloe, and signature RMS adaptogenic herbal blend, bottled up in an innovative, refillable package. I picked up the shade 22.5. This packaging is beautiful. Look how it pops up. And then when you want to get a refill, you can do that. You get a little bit less than an ounce. And I did wear this foundation once and I really liked it. The first pump was a little wimpy, so I hit it again, but I would think that's the equivalent of one pump. The texture is on the thinner side. I'm just going to dot this on my face. This is my Makeup by Mario F4 that I enjoy so much. And I'm just gonna start tapping this in. I really like the finish. It is, I would say, more satin to natural. It's got a little bit of a glow to it, but not too much. I think I did a good job with the shade. I'm not noticing any type of scent. Yeah, I would call that a nice medium coverage. I'm gonna take the other side and see if I can build up on my trouble spots. Any additional redness. Yeah, so definitely I think one pump is all you need. Look at that. Very happy with that so far. I did wear it for about 6 hours and I saw a little bit of shine breakthrough in my T-zone, but nothing significant. I will definitely continue testing this, let you know. Let's see how makeup goes on top of it. Like the newer RMS concealer, this is the Revitalize Hydra Concealer. I have mine in the shade WN011. Got an interesting brush tip. I have had this, I enjoy this. This is my Real Techniques brush that actually comes in the same set as that cream shadow brush that I like so much. You know I will have everything listed and linked below for you. Just bringing down whatever's left over. While that's settling, I've grabbed my unpowder from RMS. I actually have both of the powders that they make. One is a little more mattifying. I like the more mattifying one for the rest of my face, and then I use the other one for under my eyes. I really enjoy the unpowder, especially if you have oily skin. Now I can use the other RMS powder, which is the Hydra Setting Powder. The unpowder does not come in shades. This one does. This is the shade Light, and this one has a little separator. I'm just gonna put my Real Techniques setting brush in that powder and just tap it. Looking pretty smooth. I'm ready for some bronzer. This is their Redimension Hydra Bronzer in Tan Lines. I love this bronzer. It is well loved. This is my JennDBeauty angled brush. And of course, I'm gonna use Rosemarie's technique of going straight across. It gives a really nice sun-kissed glow without being glittery. And of course I brought in blush. This is the Redimension Hydra Powder Blush in the shade Maiden's Blush. I'll use my Rephr 05 for this one. And it is that nice neutral pinky brown that I like. And this one I feel like does have a little more of a shine to it. So I think of it as a blush and highlight combo. I'm gonna add some of the coffee mascara on the bottom, and I brought in my Rare Beauty brow gel. I just picked this up. I've heard such good things about it. I've been playing with it. I do really like it. One of my favorite products from RMS is their serum lipsticks. I have this one called Ruby Moon. I do not have a red lip liner. I have a mauve lip liner from RMS, so I'm gonna see if I can do this without a lip liner. Wish me luck. This is a click up style. So be careful, once you click it up, you can't click it back down, but such a lovely cooling gel texture that really hangs onto your lips with minimal transfer. It feels hydrating, it's just lovely. Wow, that was like surgery, but I think I did a pretty good job putting it on without a lip liner. And I have a use for this Uncover Up concealer. I really do enjoy it. This is my JennDBeauty E05, and what I can do is take just a little bit on here and clean up those edges. Still love this uncover up for the no makeup looks. You can really do a lot with this little guy. Thoughts on the new products that I tried. This Refresh Eye Brightener. I'm gonna try using this as my eye cream and see how that works on my under eyes, because that would be really nice to just use this to have that moisture, to have that color correction, and then it would have time to set before I put my concealer on. I'm really excited to continue playing with this. My under eyes do look smooth and hydrated right now. I'm liking the look. And the Re-Evolve foundation, my skin looks nice. It really does. I'm not gonna put any type of setting spray on. I will keep you posted how this wears. But so far, I'm really liking it. I love the application. I like that you can buy refills and save some money and be kinder to the earth. Reducing waste. RMS Beauty is a favorite brand of mine. They have so many good products. I really hope that this video was helpful. If you were curious about this new product, I just couldn't help myself with this one. I will have all of the products that I wore today listed and linked in the description box below. If you choose to shop with those links, I want to thank you in advance because I do make a small commission and it helps support me and my channel. If you're not subscribed, I hope you'll consider subscribing before you leave. I upload on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up and of course, leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you or even just see a heart to let me know you were here. Thank you so much for spending some of your precious time with me today. I'll see you in the next one.